This is flagship Realme 10 Pro, and yeah guys, it looks so good because on the back you're getting as good camera setup with the new badge design. I really like the design because you're getting as new generation style camera setup with the brand new primary sensor like 200 megapixel because this sensor is contained as very new features. I really like the new features 4K video recording and the 60 fps for the good stabilization. And yeah guys, inside you're getting as flagship performance from Qualcomm and the new generation chipset from Snapdragon. That's mean is working very good, very fast, and this is a best power efficiency phone. That's mean is good for you if you are waiting for the new Realme 10 Pro. And the front design is very nice because as new look at the front display, I really like has two side curved edges with the brand new best Super AMOLED panel display and the best 2K plus resolution support, which mean is very good. And yeah guys, this phone is coming very soon, and if you want to know about pricing and confirming your release date and specs एटलीस्ट एवरीथिंग, तो आप इस वीडियो को ज़रूर वॉच कीजिए एंड तक बिकॉज ये वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए ना अमेजिंग एंड इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है एंड इन्फॉर्मेटिव होने वाला है. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. सबसे पहले इस फ़ोन के फ्लैगशिप स्पेक्स के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं बिकॉज इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड या गाइस, लेट मी नो यू फर्स्ट एज परफॉर्मेंस बिकॉज यू आर गेटिंग एज गुड परफॉर्मेंस फ्रॉम Qualcomm Snapdragon new generation series chipset, which means is containing as high performance. And yeah guys, this is a new best Qualcomm Snapdragon 780G dual 5G chipset, and this is a new silicon chipset, which mean is containing as flagship features like 2.6 GHz high clock speed, 6 nanometer AI technology, and new storage variants like 12GB to 56GB as a top end